but I'll be on it always, always and ever.
What's up, you guys? We are back with another video. Today is Sunday, July 14th. Celebrating my brother's birthday. Got everybody in the back. Older brother's birthday, and we're just here to kick it and have fun, have some drinks, get my own hair, as you can see. Nothing fancy, but I did something. Yeah, we're gonna hang back and celebrate my brother's birthday. Yeah. That's Stella. That's Tammy. I just gave him a fresh haircut. That's Stella. So cute. She's sleepy right now. Back with you guys when I get back home.
Make yourself your big phone.
So today was a productive day. You guys are being recorded on my new toy that I got today, my DJI Pocket 3. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna be vlogging like crazy. Y'all don't understand how me and my sister had to go on a hunt for this thing. So I'm like, I want it now. I need this now. And this is the best investment anybody can get for starting your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. The quality is amazing, as you can see. So that was a little bit later, first part of the morning. Today is Saturday, July 20th. We tried to go get me a Tesla, y'all. Try to get me a Tesla. We were amped up, we were fired up, trying to go get my Tesla. It was white here. Y'all, I wish I would have seen it. Maybe I'll put a picture up. It was beautiful. Yeah, I'm trying to be a Tessie girl, in my Tessie girl era. But unfortunately, I didn't get it. But that's okay, because I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to try to get my stuff in order, so next time I can go in and be like, give me that Tesla, and they're going to be like, okay. But yeah, I wish the car salesman would have really worked with us. He was young, he was weird. Like, my sister had our babies a week. We had baby boys a week apart, and he's saying, like, my Facebook, pretty much saying, yeah, my sister and her sister had a baby a week apart. Like, seriously? But y'all know these car salesman people, like, just try to do anything to be relatable and get a commission. So but yeah, I did a couple other things. I wish I would have brought my camera in, because they did have a lot of nice cars in there. They had some Maseratis. It was a class car dealership. So I'll definitely be going back to get my Tesla, work on a few things. Yeah, this is my first time getting what I want instead of needing. Like, it's still get me another vehicle, like, it's not what I want. So this is the vibe around. We're just gonna get what we want now. We're not gonna get what we desperately need anymore. I want it, I'm gonna work for it.
It's not getting what we want anymore. We're getting what we need.
Getting what we
we're
need.
Getting what we need, but we're getting what we want.
Yeah.
Like, want has to be as important as the need. Like,
yeah, sure.
I'm not getting a hoopty when I can get a Bentley
right.
with the same car note as a 1990 hoopty.
Exactly.
My credit sucks.
Period. Yep. Not getting the hoopties, we're getting testies.
He's so sexy.
But yeah, comment down below how you guys feel about EV cars. I know there's a lot of like hoopla. I call everything hoopla about it. They personally, yes, they could be like, oh, the battery life, oh, the driving, I forgot what the braking system called, but you have to realize for a full charge you're paying $6, because my brother has a Tesla and he tells me how much money he's saving. It's a Tesla Model Y. I went to go get a Tesla Model Y and then possibly a 3, but I want the Y, just to give you guys an update. So he's telling me all the benefits, like the freedom you have from not having an engine anymore. So I'm taking that into consideration. And I want to worry about is Tesla's battery and their tires. Like, what could you ask for? Like, that's, but you know, it's not for everybody. And I'm not saying you have to get a Tesla. Like, autos make EV cars. So yeah, I like this quality. I can't get over it. Yeah, Pocket 3. What else we do today? We had went to Panera for lunch. It was delicious. What'd you get?
I got it was a spicy chicken.
Yeah, hers had like
Miraculously
corn.
delicious.
Yeah, and she got some chips with it, and I forgot what I got. Oh, I got the Philly cheesesteak.
And then you got the bacon macaroni.
Yeah, that was good. That was really, really good. We went to Best Buy to get my camera. We went to TJ Maxx. I was trying to find me a new bag, but I ain't had no bag. So it was a bus as well. So take you guys on this journey to get my Tessie, and because I need that Tessie so sexy. That's my motto for the. But I'm gonna get one soon, and I'm gonna take y'all on the ride. Like, there's gonna be some W's and there's gonna be some L's, but we only taking W's over here. What's up, guys? Unboxing my new heat press that I got during Prime Day, so I'm very excited. You guys gonna see. So I feel like I sound so tipsy. Like,
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
box. With the instructions, pluck that, file it. Oh yeah, wow. Ooh. Y'all, we finally got it, the HTVRont auto heat press. I know I'm late in the game, but I finally got it. I feel like this would be a great addition to my business, and I'm so excited to have this. Like, I am ready to get to work. So I'm going to plug it up and try to give it its first try and see how this baby do. So we got the pull-out drawer here. All right, so it's heating up. Oh my gosh. This is too nice. Oh my gosh. It seems like, hopefully I won't need a extra padding at the bottom, because everybody's saying, like, you know, as a tip for more pressure, to put that extra padding underneath it. But I'm gonna try to do it without it, and you know, if it gives me issues, I will add padding underneath it. But for now, got that HTVRont auto press. Oh my God, this is amazing. Oh my God, it's so fun. Oh my God, yeah. This is a game changer, for sure. What's up, you guys? We are making a quick barbecue grill run. So we are at Meijer right now. I love this camera, y'all. So I'm gonna be pulling this out. Y'all gonna get sick of me a little bit. But y'all gonna get sick of me a little bit. So yeah, we're at Meijer now. We're gonna get something to throw on the grill real quick. And yeah, catch y'all in a bit.
Like that.
Yeah, the thick like, brats, Polish. Everything looks good.
Aloha chicken. Wow.
Eesh. Pepper jack cheese. And we can do the OGs, beef Polish, which is always
You
good.
got the hot beef.
Ooh. You want hot? Yeah?
Because it's
Get
not
it.
spicy. It got that good like flavor to it.
Yeah. Get the hot spicy.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page.
Yes. So we finished our grocery, our grill for the night, weekend hangout. And yeah, I'm gonna eat good and hang out with my sis and family. Have a great night.
To everybody else it will just hold me back, but I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad, but maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around, you do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away.
Just whipping up the bacon for the burgers. That's gonna be so good.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'.
Alright, you guys, so we got some spicy beef polishes and some cheeseburgers with the pepper jack cheese. And yeah, we're about to grub. Forget that Bodak. We kind of have an addiction with that, but that looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. And yeah, y'all have a good night. I'll catch y'all later.